Hi, Kavya.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. So, this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So, before starting with, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you so much.
Can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies?
Okay. Myself, Kavya. I have done my civil engineering at Reva University and my master's from Rasta College. My specialization is infrastructure construction management. And I was actually working uh, previously, and I was working as a quantity surveyor, and I wanted to like enhance my knowledge. In that cases, I wanted a growth in my career, so I was just checking out for an online courses or any courses which can which can help in me growing in my current field. In that cases, when I was searching for it, I came across CMTI, where here I was when I checked with all the complete reviews, feedback from them, and I tried visiting their institute, and their staff and the administration, everything were very helpful. The way they said me like you're working, they provided me hybrid mode of classes, and they explained me how how the classes will be held, and they even helped me out like taking online classes and like on my whenever I was available, like in availability. And the teacher, like the lecturers were very good and friendly, and they had a lot of vast knowledge which they could give to me, and I really learned a lot from them.
Okay. So, you had been taken the training in hybrid, right?
Yes.
So, how was the courses? So, what and all you learned in that?
I had taken it in hybrid mode. I had taken the advanced CMTI courses where it was a combination of both construction management along with the interior designing. The classes were properly organized in such a way that early in the morning, first up the first classes I had, and then in the evening, where when I was free or when I am like back, as per our availability, the classes were held. And it was real like every sessions where even the recorded videos were also being provided in case of I was missing my classes. The each I We had our own mentors, and the mentors were also very helpful in providing us the material and helping out with the classes, like supposedly scheduling the classes for me. It was really good. The hybrid mode was not that difficult for me. It went in a very ease.
Okay. So, how was your trainers and all?
The trainers are highly professional. When it comes, they're having a very good knowledge about the site, what is happening inside, what's the growth, how they can teach us. They were really guiding us in a better way, and they were helping us to like know new things, what is new, and how we can get along with the new stuffs and everything. They were really very helpful when it comes to when it comes to construction, or it comes to management wise also. They had huge knowledge which they were really spending a lot of time in giving it to us.
Okay. So, what about Ashok sir and all? How was his motivation?
I had met him through my when I was doing my admissions. I just had an interaction asking like, do I have placements here? And he just checked about from which college and from where have you done your studies and everything. There was no much interaction between Ashok sir, but really he was very helpful in me getting into placements. And even when I was clearing the interviews, the way he given his input, and when I'm asking for like how do I approach or how do I ask about the hike with their HR and everything, is really been helpful in that way. He said like you can talk like this, you can he has guided me, telling you have to request and you should not be like demanding, you have to have a very polite way, and everything is really helped out in that way during placements.
Okay. So, what about your placement process? How was that?
To be frank, it was in a very easy way, as I've been right now working for an MLC firm. It was all done online. My HR coordinator, like, she was really very good. She was like telling me like, at this time you'll be getting an interview call, and she was also preparing me. She had given me few details about the contacts of the my trainers where they can help me out in cracking the interviews, and she was in constant touch with me as well as the company where Like she was giving me the input, like today you'll be having the first and second round, and this will be the final round. This way, she was also very helpful.
Okay. So I hope you're happy with your placements.
Oh yeah, I'm very much happy.
Okay. So tell me this, you had taken this advanced certified course on construction management, right? So is this very useful for the freshers?
Oh, it's definitely useful where it comes to when it is like advanced in the sense there were all this about construction management was also there, interior designing was also there. As a fresher, when you're thinking about putting up your career, where you have to put up your career, they have a vast opening. It's their choice where they have to select. Either it's in the management, either it's in the interior, or something else apart. Either it is in design. So, however it is, taking advanced course is like a combination of both the courses where you can uh, uh, select your path which you want to grow in that case it's very helpful, like instead of just restricting yourself in just in one particular thing, you're open to options, and when you get an opportunities you can grab it.
So what about staffs of CMTI? How was their coordination throughout the process?
uh, i I had no issues with anyone. Anytime I called them, they were always responding to my calls. Just not responding to my calls, they were guiding me back. My mentor, it's Vidya, she was also very good with me. When it comes to administration, Aruna was like really well. When I was asking, I need hybrid mode, I need offline classes, online classes. Regarding the softwares also, if I need, you can contact so and so person. So everybody were like very helpful in the sense. Though they miss the, suppose I call them in irrespective of time also, I used to get a good response from them.
Okay. So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Um, I would say I have made a right choice by getting into CMTI, and I would really recommend everyone, like my friends and my juniors, to join CMTI because they do help us in studying. They do provide us the placement, and they tell us what is actually happening in the civil construction industry. So my experience was really good. Hoping like all my seniors and juniors and also get into it and do well.
Thank you, Kavya, for your feedback. So all the best for your upcoming days and congratulations for your placements once again.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Kavya.